What if clearer night vision, less eye strain, and long-term protection against vision loss didn't come from glasses, eye drops, or expensive supplements, but from what you eat in the evening? Most people don't know this, but while you sleep, your eyes go into their most active repair phase of the entire day. This is when damaged retinal cells recover from screens, light-sensitive pigments are rebuilt, and oxidative stress is cleared away. It's the only time your eyes can fully reset. But here's the problem. That repair process depends entirely on specific nutrients, and most people go to bed without giving their eyes what they actually need. Over time, that shows up as dry, irritated eyes, poor night driving, slower focus, and vision that quietly declines year after year. New nutritional research is revealing something surprising. Certain whole foods, eaten at the right time before bed, can deliver targeted compounds directly to the retina, macula, and lens, exactly when your eyes are primed to absorb and use them. This isn't about eating healthy. It's about timing the right foods to support overnight visual repair. In this video, I'll break down 8 research-backed foods you can eat before bed to support sharper vision, better night adaptation, and long-term eye protection using simple foods you can find at any grocery store. Let's start with the first one. Number 1. Black currants. These small but powerful berries are among the richest natural sources of anthocyanins, often containing more than blueberries. For health, black currants are especially high in delphinidin and cyanidin, antioxidants that strongly support the retina. They help speed up the renewal of rhodopsin, the light-sensitive pigment that allows your eyes to adapt to darkness and see clearly in low-light conditions. A study in the Journal of Ocular Pharmacology and Therapeutics reported that supplementation with black currant anthocyanins significantly improved night vision accuracy and reduced visual fatigue during prolonged computer use. These compounds also help strengthen tiny blood vessels, supporting healthy blood flow to the eyes. A small serving of about 100 grams or a tablespoon of concentrated, no sugar-added black currant powder mixed into yogurt or a small smoothie provides a therapeutic dose. Consuming them about 90 minutes before bed ensures their compounds are available during the night's key repair cycle, directly supporting the eye's recovery from daily light exposure and strain. Number 2. Orange bell pepper. While all bell peppers are nutritious, the orange variety stands out for vision due to its exceptional and bioavailable profile of zeaxanthin. In fact, orange bell peppers contain one of the highest concentrations of dietary zeaxanthin of any common vegetable. This specific carotenoid is a primary component of the macular pigment, acting as internal sunglasses that filter out harmful high-energy blue light and protect the central, sharpest part of your vision from oxidative damage. Unlike lutein, which is more common in leafy greens, zeaxanthin is less abundant in the standard diet, making this food a strategic choice. One medium orange bell pepper provides over 2.5 milligrams of zeaxanthin in its most natural, absorbable form. Research in the American Journal of Ophthalmology links higher dietary intake of zeaxanthin to increased macular pigment optical density, which is directly associated with a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration and improved visual performance. For your pre-bed routine, slice 1/4 to 1/2 of a raw orange bell pepper and enjoy it with a few almonds or a slice of avocado. The healthy fats drastically increase the absorption of this fat-soluble nutrient, ensuring it is effectively delivered to your macula overnight. Number 3. Almonds. Almonds are a rich source of vitamin E, a key antioxidant that protects the eye's cell membranes from damage caused by free radicals, especially the delicate fats in the retina. This protection is particularly important during sleep, when the body carries out much of its repair and cleanup work. The ARDS-2 research formula, a major clinical trial, confirmed vitamin E's role as a core component in slowing the progression of age-related eye disease. A small serving of 6 to 8 almonds delivers a meaningful portion of your daily vitamin E. For enhanced absorption and timed release, pair them with a few squares of dark chocolate, over 70% cacao. which provides additional flavonoids that improve blood flow to the ocular tissues. Consume this combination 60 minutes before bed. The healthy fats from the nuts ensure the vitamin E is effectively utilized, creating a protective barrier for your eyes all night long. Number 4. Wild-caught salmon. The retina contains more DHA than any other tissue in the body, and this omega-3 fat is essential for keeping the light-sensing cells flexible and working properly. This helps your eyes adapt to darkness and recover from daily light exposure. Consuming salmon in the evening provides the raw materials for rebuilding these critical structures during sleep. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular consumption of oily fish like salmon was associated with a significantly reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. A 3-ounce serving of wild-caught salmon also provides astaxanthin, a potent carotenoid that crosses the blood-retinal barrier to offer direct antioxidant protection. Enjoy a small portion baked or pan-seared with a drizzle of olive oil about 90 minutes before bed. The combination of DHA and astaxanthin creates a powerful, targeted repair protocol for your retina's most sensitive cells. Number 5. Cooked kale. When lightly cooked, kale becomes a richer and more easily absorbed source of lutein and zeaxanthin. These are the only dietary carotenoids that build up in the macula, the part of the retina responsible for sharp vision, where they help filter harmful high-energy light and reduce oxidative stress. Steaming or sautéing breaks down the cell walls, making these pigments easier for your body to absorb. A study in JAMA Ophthalmology linked higher dietary intake of these carotenoids with a dramatically lower risk of advanced age-related macular degeneration. 1 cup of lightly steamed kale provides a massive dose. For your evening routine, sauté a cup of chopped kale in a teaspoon of ghee or coconut oil, with a pinch of turmeric. The fat maximizes carotenoid uptake, and the curcumin in turmeric adds an anti-inflammatory boost, preparing your macular pigment for a night of replenishment. Number 6. Egg yolk, pasture-raised. Often misunderstood, the yolk of a pasture-raised egg is one of the most complete and easily absorbed foods for eye health, especially before bed. It provides a powerful combination of lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin A, as retinal. The natural fats in the yolk help these nutrients reach the eyes more effectively, supporting overnight repair and protection of the retina. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition shows that lutein and zeaxanthin from eggs are absorbed up to 3 times more efficiently than from supplements or many plant foods because of the egg's natural fat. This efficient delivery is especially important overnight, when the macula uses these pigments to restore its protective layer. Additionally, the retinol in egg yolk supplies the exact form of vitamin A needed to regenerate rhodopsin, directly supporting night vision adaptation while you sleep. Consuming 1 or 2 soft-boiled or poached pasture-raised eggs about 60 to 90 minutes before bed offers a timed-release package of retinal building blocks, ensuring your eyes have the precise raw materials for cellular repair and pigment synthesis during their peak regenerative phase. Number 7. Sweet potato. Packed with vision-supporting nutrients. Sweet potatoes are one of the best sources of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for night vision and a healthy retina. Just 1 medium-baked sweet potato provides more than 200% of your daily vitamin A needs, supporting the production of rhodopsin, the light-sensitive pigment that helps you see in low light. Research in the journal Nutrients highlights that diets high in orange and purple-fleshed sweet potatoes are associated with reduced oxidative damage to the eyes and improved visual function. For the best nighttime benefit, eat about a half cup of mashed or baked sweet potato with a small amount of healthy fat, such as coconut oil or grass-fed butter, about an hour before bed. This helps your body absorb beta-carotene more effectively and provides a slow, steady release of carbohydrates that supports stable blood sugar overnight, reducing inflammatory spikes that can stress the delicate blood vessels in the eyes. Number 8. Pumpkin seeds. Often overlooked, pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc and vitamin E, 2 nutrients essential for eye repair at night. Zinc plays a key role in eye health, helping move vitamin A to the retina. where it's used to produce melanin, a pigment that helps protect the eyes. A review published in Investigative Ophthalmology and Visual Science found that having enough zinc is essential for maintaining retinal health and supporting the eye's ability to adapt to darkness. Just 1 ounce, a small handful of shelled pumpkin seeds, provides nearly 20% of your daily zinc needs along with a solid amount of vitamin E. The healthy fats in the seeds help your body absorb vitamin E efficiently, and together these nutrients work overnight to protect photoreceptor cells and support the regeneration of visual pigments. For a pre-bed ritual, grind a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds and mix them into a small bowl of unsweetened applesauce. The mild acidity aids mineral absorption, delivering a sustained release of ocular protective nutrients throughout your sleep. Remember that your eyes aren't just resting, they're rebuilding. And what you eat in the evening can directly fuel that repair. This isn't about a drastic diet overhaul. It's about choosing one of these strategic, research-backed foods in the hours before bed. Start with just one, whether it's a spoonful of black currant powder, a handful of pumpkin seeds, or a few slices of orange bell pepper. You're giving your eyes the specific compounds they crave during their most critical repair phase. Imagine waking up with eyes that feel more rested, adjusting more easily to the morning light, and knowing you're building long-term protection with every bite. The path to clearer vision and resilient eyes doesn't start tomorrow.